Welcome to Rebuild Your Neurodivergent Life, a gentle reflection guide from Living Empowered Today. This companion guide to the video, Rebuild Your Neurodivergent Life, is designed to empower you to live a life that aligns with your unique neurodivergent needs. Let's get started and embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment together. Step 1. Pause and name what's happening. Take a moment to reflect on your recent life experiences. Identify feelings of overwhelm or avoidance without judgment. This step is about awareness, not fixing. Consider what has felt unclear or impossible lately. Write down your observations without trying to explain them away. Just observe as if you were an onlooker. This exercise encourages honest reflection. Capture your thoughts and feelings as they are, without censorship, providing a foundation for understanding and growth. Step 2. Explore what's not working with compassion. Examine behavior and thinking patterns that may no longer serve you. Recognize that survival mode responses aren't inherently bad, but they may not be necessary in every situation. Approach this exploration with kindness. Use this space to describe the mismatch between your needs and current patterns. Identifying these discrepancies is crucial for personal growth. Document your insights honestly to better understand how to align your life with your true needs. Step 3. Choose one tiny shift. Progress doesn't need to be monumental. Select a small, safe action step that feels 10% better. Consider what gentle change could bring calm or freedom this week. Remember, beginning is enough. My first gentle shift will be: use this space to commit to a small change. Writing it down solidifies your intention and provides a tangible step towards improvement. Embrace the power of incremental progress. Reminder, you're not broken. You're relearning how to live in a way that works for you, no one else. Healing is ongoing, not urgent. Do it with intention and care. Revisit this guide whenever you feel stuck. Remember, you can always begin again. Next steps: follow, subscribe, and support for more life-changing content. Empower yourself daily for a healthier, more joyful life. Consider supporting through Ko-fi for exclusive monthly content for members, or just donate to help keep more content coming. You're worth the investment for just a cup of coffee at 2020 prices. I look forward to see you there and helping you enjoy a more peaceful life in self-acceptance. Aloha!